As Manny Ramirez once said, I'm back. We are back with another match day vlog. To my left right now, we already had the Magic City Brigade doing their thing, doing their potluck tailgate. Very excited to get the camera out there. Maybe I'll film, maybe I won't. Wearing the old Birmingham Hammers uniform, and just like old times, that is one of the darkest rain clouds I've ever seen in my life. So pumped for it. Let's beat these scissor tails. Come on, the boys. Let's hammer down.
You're better off to stay here, buddy. Yeah, stay here, buddy. Ben, you're better off staying here. You are better off. Let's go get a look. We're aboard HMS. Careful. The end of it. I can see the end of it. Can you? Yeah. It's literally firewall.
Worst halves I've watched. We were simultaneously the better and the worst team. Just miserable. We're only down by one, which they haven't had any chances. We should be tied. We should be winning, but just can't finish. Is what it is. Hoping for a much better second half. We need all 3 points today. No. until the end. It's over with your heart be strong. Keep right until the end. Though you're tired and weary, journey on till you come to your happy abode. At the end of the road. Everybody! Shot! Everybody! Bullet to the net and we'll go fucking mental. Da 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 and we'll go fucking mental.
If you run that don't get bleed.
Hey!
Yeah! Good job. Come on, Legion!
That is one of the most frustrating matches I've ever watched. I mean, it really is. I'll talk about it on Hammering Down ad. But why we've moved away from what works, I don't know. I love the team. I love everything about the players, the coaches, whomever. I love them. But this is unacceptable. This is one of those times where we need to demand more as fans. We just need to demand more. But it is what it is, I guess. Hard to watch us. I mean, the first half we were the much better team, and then we just sucked. We just simply sucked. I don't know what else to say, but yeah, it's fine. We needed that 3 points. I think there's no way we catch up to Louisville now. I hope I'm wrong. Hopefully we take 3 points against them away from home, but if we play like we did today, we just need to start worrying about a home playoff berth, because that's not going to be Louisville, and that's not even going to be a contender in the OSL, which sucks to say. But hey, it's fine. We got a good squad. We got good people around, so it is what it is. Until next time, guys, keep hammering on.